Ladies and gentlemen of the fourth estate, today I wish to give you an update on the county bursary fund. As you are aware, my administration is keen on facilitating a good educational foundation for our children. To this end, my administration is committed in ensuring the sanction of school bursary fund to enable students from needy background access education. The bursary fund was last administered 3 years ago, and having evaluated the suffering the parents undergo in affording school fees for their children, we have decided to resume the fund to help cushion the needy students. As such, we are soon rolling out an annual bursary fund of 135 million, whereby each ward will get 3 million shillings for bursary. And this will take place as from Tuesday. The bursary will target students in secondary school. It's important to note that it will target students, actually pupils in secondary schools. The most basic level of education where the pupils need to supported to acquire the much needed secondary education certificate to enhance them pursue tertiary education. Once we conclude the logistical arrangement, we are soon announcing dates for members of the public to access public. And this one I want to say is that we did agree yesterday on the dates that were going to be discussed as from Tuesday. Beneficiaries will be paid on the basis on the ward their parents are registered as voters, among other state criteria. I've just indicated, and it's clear, if you voted in a certain ward, you will receive your forms there. You will never get it anywhere else. We have set out clear guidelines on how we are going to do it, because we are going to use the register, the voter register, to identify people in their respective wards or electoral areas. We are putting measures in place to ensure that strict selections, criteria, devoid of corruption, and only the most needy cases will be considered in an open, transparent, and fair manner, where the public will also give input and feedback accordingly. Going forward, we are also establishing an executive governance and scholarship program to further and enhance the education support system in the county.